In family law, most cases follow the same general order of events. While the overall process is the same, each person's experience is very different. The first phase, when we take on a case, is the onboarding phase. But our first step is really to bring the client in to have a conversation with the assigned lawyer. During that conversation, we talk about really what are the facts that got them to where they are now? What is it that they want? What is it that they're afraid of? The feeling I want clients to have after they have that first initial conversation with us is that we got this. We know what we're doing. We know how to get them to where they want to be. And all they need to do is trust that we're going to get them there. The next phase is that we file the original pleadings that show that we're the lawyer for the client. We call that phase the pre-litigation or litigation phase. We have to wait for the opposing party who is served with the paperwork to have enough time to go hire a lawyer or do whatever it is that they have to do to file an answer to be involved in the litigation. So in family law, we have issues that pertain to kids, so teachers, doctors, therapists. We have issues that pertain to property, appraisals, values, balances. And so discovery is really the process of obtaining and exchanging information with the other side. Once we go and we obtain all the information in the discovery process, the next phase is really going to a mediation to try to resolve the final orders. That's when we're trying to actually come up with the final division of property, with the final arrangement as to visitation and parenting rights. If mediation is not successful, then we have to seek a trial setting. When we go to final trial, what we're actually doing is going before the court. We are putting on testimony of witnesses, we're introducing documents, and then we're asking the judge to give us certain relief, to make a certain order, the order that our client wants. Our job is to phrase things in a way that best paints the picture for our client. But once the ruling comes in, once we know what the judge has decided and what the order is, we take those words and we put it into lawyer words. We put it into the form of a final decree of divorce or a final order in suit affecting parent-child relationship. Whatever the court decision is, we put into the form of an order so it's signed. Here we have all of the rules very specifically set out so that expectations are clearly set forth to avoid conflict in the future. Clients need a lawyer who knows the variables, somebody who can guide them through the process, and we do that with straight talk and honest advice here at Borman & Associates, and we're proud to do it.